Dear students, good morning. In our previous class, we have learned how to add 4-digit numbers. That time we were having two numbers and we have learned the steps. Today, students, we will learn to add three numbers together and we follow the same steps. Just start. See, students, while adding three numbers, we follow the same steps as step 1. Arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. So here also we will arrange the numbers under ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. Okay, we will add the numbers under ones place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. Okay, now our second step is add all the digits in each column starting from ones place. That means always we start from ones place filling the numbers. We have to add 7234, 840 and 69. So see, start filling the numbers under place value chart. Our first number starts from 4. Ones place we are having 4. So under ones place we will write 4 like this. Then tens place is 3. Then hundred place is 2. And thousand place is 7. So under thousand place we write 7. Our next number is 840. So at ones place we will write 0. Tens place it is 4 and hundred place it is 8. And third number is 69. That means under ones place our number is having 9. And under tens place it is 6. See students, as this is a 4-digit number, that means all the 4 places have been filled. This is a 3-digit number, that means thousand place will left vacant. And this is a 2-digit number, that means only ones and tens place will be filled and hundred and thousand place will be left vacant. Now it's your choice, you can write 0 over here or you leave these places as it is. Okay, and once again check that ones place digit of all the numbers should be under ones place. See, 4 here, 0 here and 9 here. So under 4 we will be having 0 and then 9. So all the ones place digit will be under ones place. Then check the tens place digit. 3 is at tens place, here 4 is at tens place, here 6 is at tens place. So that means we are having at tens place 3, then 4, then 6. Now see the hundred place. Hundred place digit here is 2. In this number it is 8 and in this number we are having no hundred place digit. That means first hundred place digit should be 2, then 8 and then in this number there is no hundred place digit. Now check thousand place digit. Here we are having 7, so we have written 7. Here no thousand place digit, so no thousand place digit. No thousand place digit, so no thousand place digit. So it is very important to rearrange the number according to the place value chart. Okay, now see the third step. Regroup if required, that is carry forward. That we will see here while addition and while adding our number. So let us start adding our number. Now this is we have to add. So put the sign of addition. Now start. It is under ones place. From ones place we start adding the number. It is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. That means 4 plus 9 is 13. We will write it like this. Under ones place we have to write only one digit. 13 is a 2-digit number. That means after ones place we write tens place. That means this 1 will be carried forward to tens place. So here we will write only 3 and this 1 will be carried forward to tens place here. Okay, now start adding. This carryover will be added in tens place. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14 is again a 2-digit number, so we cannot write here 14. That means we are having 14. Under tens place we will write 4, and after tens place we are having 100 place digit. So this 1 will go to 100 place. That means 4 will be written here and 1 will be carried forward. Now add again. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. That means under 100 place we are having 11. So this carry forward will go to 1000 place. That means here 1 and 1 will be carried forward. And under 1000 place 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is our final answer. This is called sum. And the numbers to be added are called addends. So our sum is 8143. Okay students. Now let us add these three numbers. We are having 6600. Second number is 1489. And third number is 1374. Okay. Now start adjusting under place value chart. First we are having ones place digit as 0. Then tens place digit as 0. Then 100 place digit as 6. And 1000 place digit is also 6. Now start second number. Ones place digit is 9. And tens place digit is 8. 100 place digit is 4. And 1000 place digit is 1. And third number, ones place digit is 4. Tens place is 7. 100 place is 3. And 1000 place is 1. We have to add these four numbers. Check once again that under ones place digit we should have 0 and 9 and 4. See, 0 and 9 and 4. Now under tens place we are having 0, 8 and 7. 0, 8 and 7. Now check 100 place, it is 6, 4 and 3. So 6, 4 and 3. Now 1000 place, 6, 1 and 1. So 6, 1 and 1. Now start adding our numbers starting from ones place. Always start adding from ones place. And ones place digit will always be filled. Okay? It should not have any vacant place. So start 9 plus 4 is 13. So again 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. That means this 1 will go carry over to tens place. 3 will be written here under ones place. And 1 will be carried forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 9 plus 7 is, yes, 16. So 16. Here under tens place we are having 6. And this 1 will be carried forward to 100 place. So 6 will be written here. And 1 will be carried forward. Now start. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So again for 14 under 100 place it will be 4. And this 1 will be carried forward to 1000 place. So 4 and 1 will be carried forward to 1000 place. Now add 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. So our answer is 9463. This is called sum. Okay students. So follow these steps and try to add 3 numbers like this.